Welcome to GCRD Technologies. I want to learn performance testing. Can you give advice on that? Recently, someone mailed me this query. Okay, I will provide detailed explanation for this query to all of you. Performance testing, learning performance testing. Okay, good. Say in our software testing area, basically we have two test types: functional testing, next non-functional testing. In non-functional testing area, we have so many subtypes: usability testing, security testing, localization testing, internalization testing, availability testing, etc. But in non-functional testing area, uh, primary subtest type. Primary subtest type is performance testing. Performance testing is an important non-functional test type. Remaining are small ones. Say according to software testing market share, nearly 80% market share functional testing, 20% market share non-functional testing. Okay. But in functional testing area, we have a lot of competition. In performance testing area, competition is low. Learning performance testing is a good decision. If you want to learn performance testing, definitely you need to learn test tool. Suppose if it is functional testing can be done in two ways. One is manual testing, another is automated testing using any test tool like UFT or Silk Tester, famous Selenium, etc. If it is performance testing, manual testing is impractical. Automated testing only possible for performance testing. Okay. If you want to learn performance testing, you need to learn test tool. Okay. Say in this area, performance testing area, so many tools available: load runner, JMeter, QA web load, NeoLoad, RPT, rational performance tester, next Silk performer, etc. In these tools, uh, load runner, it is commercial tool, developer, micro, just a minute, micro focus load runner, commercial tool, earlier HP, now micro focus. Next, another tool is JMeter. JMeter is open source. Observe, this load runner is commercial tool. Next, this JMeter is open source tool. Nowadays, these two are the famous tools for performance testing. Earlier, load runner was having highest market share in this area. Now, JMeter also having good market share. Now, these two are having nearly 80 to 90% of performance testing market share. So, if you want to learn performance testing, you can learn either load runner or JMeter. Any one tool is enough for conducting performance testing. When it comes to programming knowledge, generally for manual testing, no programming knowledge is required. For automated testing or test automation, programming knowledge is required. But programming knowledge is required for functional automated testing, or you can say automated functional testing using UFT tool or Selenium tool or RFT, etc. For functional testing, automated functional testing, programming knowledge is mandatory. If it is performance testing, here also we write test scripts, but here most of the time tool can generate test steps, record and playback. Tool can generate test steps. Here you can use tool navigation for generating test steps. Sometimes you may enhance your test script. If you know a little bit programming knowledge, that is enough for conducting performance testing. Conclusion, for automated functional testing, programming knowledge is mandatory. For automated performance testing, little bit programming knowledge is enough. Next, already I told, you can learn either LoadRunner or JMeter for performance testing. Nowadays, these two tools are having good market share. You can get good opportunities in software testing job market. And one more thing, one more suggestion from me. If you have leisure time, then try to learn both the tools. And one more thing, for conducting performance testing, two different tools are not required. LoadRunner purpose is performance testing, JMeter purpose also performance testing. You no need to learn two different tools for conducting performance testing. But according to market, sometimes companies require JMeter. If you want to migrate to another company, that company may use LoadRunner or JMeter. If you have both the tools knowledge, then you can easily get the job. You can easily catch the opportunities. And one more thing, if you learn any one of these two tools, then it is easy to learn other tool. Suppose if you learn LoadRunner tool first, after that you can learn JMeter easily. 80% skeleton is same. Next, if you learn JMeter first, then it is easy to learn LoadRunner. So if you have any leisure time, try to learn both the tools in order to get good opportunities. Okay. Next, some small information about performance testing. Observe. Performance testing. Performance testing. It is test type. Test type. What type? Non-functional. Non-functional testing. Next, test method. Test method. Just a minute. Here, manual testing is not possible. Only automated testing. Automated testing. Or you can say test automation. Test automation. Next, test tool. Test tool. You can learn and use either LoadRunner or JMeter. JMeter nowadays trending in this area, JMeter. Here, subsets, small information about performance testing. Subsets of performance testing. Subsets of performance testing. See, load testing. Some are calling load test tools, etc. Load testing is subset of performance testing. Load testing, next stress testing, next uh, spike testing, next endurance testing, next data volume testing, just a minute, data volume testing, etc. Say as part of performance testing, we need to conduct load testing, stress testing, spike testing, endurance testing, etc. in order to confirm the functionality of, performance of the software. Okay. See once again, in order to make sure the performance of software, we need to conduct load testing, stress testing, spike testing. Just a minute. Spike testing, endurance testing, data volume testing, etc. Okay. And one more thing, here as part of performance testing, here I mentioned data volume testing. Yes. See, database testing is there. Database testing nowadays independent topic. As part of functional testing, we conduct database testing. In performance testing also, we conduct some sorts of database testing. Means database testing can be conducted in functional testing, in performance testing, in structural testing also. Okay. This is about this query. I want to learn performance testing. Definitely you can learn performance testing. You can use either LoadRunner or JMeter tool. You can learn and use. If you have any leisure time or interest, try to learn both the tools. Then you can get more opportunities. Thank you.